multimeter or voltage tester and other tools that will be used during the installation. Step 1. Locate the fuse box and open it. Step 2. Find the vehicle's user manual and the fuse box instructions. We can see what electrical appliance, device, and function each fuse corresponds to. When choosing the location of the wiring to be connected, try to avoid choosing a fuse location that may affect the safety of your car. Step 3. Find the fuses corresponding to B+ and ACC. Finding the fuse corresponding to B+, use a voltage testing tool to find a fuse that remains voltage at 12 V both when the vehicle is started and when it's turned off. This is B+. Finding the fuse corresponding to ACC, insert the car key and turn it to the ACC position. Use a voltage testing tool to detect the fuse that has 12 V and drops to 0 or near 0 immediately after the key is removed is the ACC wire. It is note that some vehicles have other special conditions. If you have any questions, please look for customer support to help. Step 4. Determine the right direction of voltage flow in the fuse box in fuse tap. First, remove the original ACC and B+ fuse from your vehicle. Turn on the ignition. Then test both ends of the fuse slot with a multimeter or voltage meter. The side that has 12 V is the voltage input, and the side that has 0 V is the voltage output. Be sure to touch the probe tip to the metal tab inside when measuring. The voltage input and output can be distinguished by measuring in this way. Voltage enters through the outer angle side and exits through the inner angle side. Please install the fuse tap according to the direction of the enters and exits voltage detected in the fuse tap. Fuse taps come in 4 different sizes. Please choose the appropriate size and ensure the taps are securely fitted to the fuses. Finally, insert the original ACC and B+ fuses that were removed from the vehicle into the provided fuse tap. Step 5. Start installation. First, disconnect the negative terminal of the vehicle battery. Put the ACC fuse tap into the fuse box at the right angle, based on the direction of the electricity flow. Also, insert the B+ fuse tap into the fuse box at the right angle, based on the direction of the electricity flow. Insert the ACC and B+ wires into the corresponding metal crimp connectors of the fuse tap, then crimp and secure them tightly. Ground the G&D wire. Reconnect the negative terminal of the vehicle battery. Connect the fast boot connector to the device and check if the device powers on and off normally. Once the device turns on normally, turn off the vehicle. If the device powers off normally, then the fast boot connector has been installed correctly. Route the fast boot connector from the device along the vehicle's crevices towards the A-pillar, tucking the wire behind the A-pillar to conceal it. Reinstall any parts removed from the fuse box to their original position to complete the installation.